in the new material design. Here you can see step by step how we update the design. The typography, the grid changes, and finally the surfaces and bold colors. And a few small changes make a really big difference.
When you fire up the phone dialer are those bold material colors and shadows. And you'll see the ripple touch effect as I touch each of these tabs, and you get a more subtle material touch effect on the recent calls. You'll see that the dialer button has its elevation set, so it's floating above the UI, and as I tap it, you get these really nice, delightful animations. In L, we give you instant interactive access to notifications right from the lock screen. So now you can read, open, and dismiss in seconds. I can swipe down, and I get my full list of notifications. And we've done a clever thing here where we've merged the notification shade, so something that's been in Android since 1.0, with the lock screen. And so from here, I can double tap on a notification to launch the corresponding app. Or if there's something I don't need, I can just dismiss with a single swipe. And to unlock the phone, well, this is just the notification shade. So you just swipe it away, and you're straight into the device. Fast and simple. In L, we're introducing a new concept we call personal unlocking. And personal unlocking enables the device to determine if it's in a trusted environment, say in the owner's hand or beside the owner on a table. Personal unlocking uses signals such as locations you designate, Bluetooth devices that are visible, even your unique voice print. So I currently have a pattern lock on this device, but because I'm wearing a Bluetooth watch, my phone knows it's me who's present, and so it doesn't challenge me with an unlock. So for example, if I just swipe up, the phone will unlock just like that. If I take my watch off, let me just hand it to Marcelo. Okay, so now my phone can no longer see the watch. And because of that, my phone cannot ascertain if it's me who's present. As a result, my phone will lock down its security. So now when I go to unlock the device, it presents me with a PIN lock. It's a really great feature. The last performance enhancement I want to take you through is on battery. And we've worked hard to make sure that the battery keeps up with the performance. And of course, there are a variety of systems and components that tax the battery on a modern phone or tablet. So Wi-Fi radios, cell radios, GPS, CPU, etc. You can't improve unless you can measure. So we created a tool that we call Battery Historian. And it helps you visualize on a time axis the battery usage information. Now you can correlate battery discharge with what was happening to the device at the time. And then finally, we've added a new battery saver mode in L. So battery saver allows you to clock down CPU, the refresh rate, even turn off background data to conserve battery. And you can trigger it manually or configure it to come on automatically when the battery level is low. So battery saver is really great if you're about to embark on a long hike or maybe a long protest, and you say you want the battery to last even longer.
Added to this lock screen. First of all, you can now swipe up to unlock instead of pulling out on a ring. And you can swipe left to open the camera, which was the same as before, but now you can also swipe right to get directly into the phone dialer. So of course you still swipe down from the status bar and you get the new animation to reveal the notifications here. And then you can swipe down again to get to your quick settings, again redesigned. So much flatter with this gray color here, no more swiping down with two fingers or trying to tap the exact corner. Quick settings are super easy to get to now with one hand. And bonus, we now have one tap to cast our screen to a Chromecast, kind of like AirPlay, very nifty, and an auto rotate toggle. Finally, we did not have that before. So you can also tap the notification volume icon to enter a new Do Not Disturb mode, and you have a volume slider, or I should say a brightness slider.